Hello, I'm Lelda Smits for the Capital Network, and joining me today from Pan Asia Metals is its Managing Director, Paul Locke. Paul, welcome.
Hi Lelda, great to be here.
Now, Paul, can you start by introducing Pan Asia Metals to us?
Pan Asia Metals is an exploration company. We're focused on Southeast Asia and we're focusing on specialty metals or critical metals. Our two key metals we focus on now are tungsten and lithium.
Okay, and what are the top 3 reasons that you would consider the company a compelling investment opportunity?
Well, there are many reasons, but the 3 leading reasons are cost environment. So many people don't realise that the cost environment for a project is most important. It's no use having the best project in the world if the cost environment is too expensive. The second reason is our metals. We've got lithium and tungsten. Both are critical metals, particularly tungsten, and both our projects are advanced. So we expect some good results soon. And the third reason is that we're located in the industrial markets, or in between the industrial markets of Thailand and Malaysia. So when we build our projects, we get the advantage of localised capital equipment, so it'll be cheaper, and also end markets for our products. So naturally we want to extend downstream, and being in the markets where we can do that's most important.
Why did you choose to list on the ASX?
The reason we decided to list was we've been a private company for over 3 years, and before that David Hobby, the Chief Geologist, and myself have been working in Southeast Asia for about 6 to 7 years. You can only go so far on private capital. We've spent a lot of time developing our assets so that when we list them they have some value, but at some point you need more capital. So the reason we're listing is that we can get an influx of more capital so we can accelerate the projects.
Okay, Paul, and when it comes to your leadership and operational team, can you give us an overview of who's behind Pan Asia Metals and why they're equipped to excel?
Sure, Lelda. We have a full operational team in Thailand. We have a full administrative team, we have 2 geologists, and we have a community liaison person who keeps us connected with our communities. We've got a board of 6, and that board has over 60 years combined experience in Southeast Asia. There's 2 executive directors, myself and David Hobby. David Hobby is a geologist, and I come from the finance side.
Okay, Paul, and can you outline the company's key achievements to date and future priorities?
So David Hobby and I have been working in Southeast Asia for a long period of time, and we've been looking at a lot of projects. The objective was to identify projects which have a solid foundation. So with that we've got the Rionket lithium project and the Kaohsiung tungsten project. Both projects are exceptional, and they lead a pipeline of smaller projects and other projects. So that's what we've bought the company today, and that's what we're bringing to investors.
Okay, and finally, Paul, what kind of companies inspire you, and what's your vision for Pan Asia Metals?
So Lelda, the company which I like best is a company called Danaher, which no one's heard of. Danaher had a compound annual growth rate which was better than Berkshire Hathaway. But what I particularly like about Danaher is that they're focused on specialty products, the niche products behind the products which no one knows about, and that's where the profit is. Where I want to take our company is further downstream from our projects and focus on opportunities which we don't really see today, but which will bring higher margins to the business.
Well, Paul, thank you for your insights today, and all the best for your upcoming ASX IPO.
Thanks, Lelda.